2014 Western Star 4900 SA tri-drive with a DD16 460 horsepower, 16,000 pound front end, 18-speed manual transmission. The hood. Webasto engine heater. Large fuel tanks, chain hangers, sliding fifth wheel, poly fenders. Wet kit, run hydraulic pump, rear window and sleeper. Again, it's a high sleeper, lots of room inside for standing up. Batteries are dead. 11/24/5 rubber in the back. Various treads, thickness left, depths. And sliding fifth wheel. Air ride suspension. Bogie insert frame. Some paint peeling. Again, it's a 2014. Airliner suspension. Missing a fender flare. Looks like we have a leak at the engine somewhere. Skid plate. We'll look inside. Again, stand-up sleeper, lots of room. Batteries are dead, so I can't get the hours, kilometers. Tilt steering. Again, Webasto heater. Some shelving units. And a rear window with a cover. Air seats both sides, heated seats.